If your fireplace starts smelling like smoke right after a rainstorm, it's probably because water's messing with your chimney flashing or chimney crown, and that can seriously kill your cozy vibe. So, first off, you want to check the flashing around the chimney. That's the metal stuff that keeps rain out where the chimney meets the roof. If it's cracked or loose, water gets in and makes smoke back up inside. Next, look at the chimney crown on top. If it's cracked or damaged, water can seep in there too. When water gets inside, it cools down the smoke and makes it hang around longer, which is why you smell it inside your house. Fixing or replacing damaged flashing and sealing cracks in the crown with waterproof cement can stop this. Also, make sure the chimney cap is on tight and not rusted through because that keeps rain and critters out. After heavy rain, give your fireplace some time to dry before lighting a fire again to avoid that smoky smell. If you're not comfortable checking or fixing these yourself, it's smart to call a pro chimney sweep or roofer who knows what's up. One of the biggest problems with fireplaces smelling like smoke after rain is ignoring small cracks in the chimney crown, which lets water get in and cause damage over time. Seal those cracks as soon as possible with a good waterproof sealant. Another common mistake is not tightening or replacing rusty flashing, so rain sneaks in between the roof and chimney. Fixing or swapping out flashing can stop leaks fast. The third issue is people forgetting to install or maintain a chimney cap, which leads to rain and animals causing blockages or damage. Make sure you have a sturdy cap that fits well and get it checked yearly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who specialize in roofing and chimney repairs, so you don't have to stress about finding someone legit. At the same time, it gives contractors a solid platform to connect with people looking for their services, making it easier to get work done right.